Hey everyone, and welcome back. Have you ever looked at a photo of a strange natural landmark and thought, wait, how is that even possible? That's exactly what we're diving into today. Our planet is home to some truly mind-bending geological features, rocks, and formations so bizarre, so perfectly balanced or so unnaturally shaped that they seem to defy the very laws of physics. These aren't carvings. They're miracles crafted by thousands, sometimes millions of years of wind, water, and erosion. Today, we're counting down 10 of the world's most impossible rock formations. Get ready, because these are guaranteed to make you question everything you learned in high school science class. First up, let's head to the vast arid landscapes of Western Australia to check out wave rock. Now, this isn't just a rock shaped like a wave. It is a giant ocean wave frozen mid-break. Standing 15 meters high and stretching over 100 meters long, this granite behemoth truly earns its name. Imagine the sheer power of erosion, chipping away at this structure for over 2.7 billion years, creating that perfect, curved crest. It's not just a geological spectacle. It's a sacred spot for the local Aboriginal people, adding a layer of deep cultural importance to this natural masterpiece. Next, we travel to California, to the haunting shores of Mono Lake, where we find the Mono Lake columns, or what many call the ruins of an ancient temple. Hundreds of cylindrical stone pillars emerge mysteriously from the ground. These aren't stalagmites. They formed about 760,000 years ago, not by water but by fire. When hot magma met the lake's cold water during volcanic activity, it caused the rock to crack in perfect, symmetrical patterns as it cooled, resulting in these strangely organized columns. Now, for a rock that really doesn't care about gravity, Krishna's Butterball in Mahabalipuram, India. This giant granite boulder, about 6 meters tall, is resting perfectly balanced on a steep, slippery hillside. It looks like the slightest gust of wind would send it tumbling, yet it has remained stable in this exact spot for centuries. Even attempts by local rulers in the 1900s to move it with 7 elephants failed. Geologically, it's a total puzzle. Locals, however, simply attribute its stability to divine power, claiming it's a giant pat of butter stolen by the Hindu god Krishna. Moving on, if you thought rocks couldn't be musical, think again. We journey to Armenia's Garni Gorge, home to the Symphony of Stones. Picture giant, vertical basalt columns, thousands of them, perfectly hexagonal, lining the gorge walls. They look exactly like the massive pipes of a giant church organ. This stunning geometric structure is the result of lava cooling extremely slowly millions of years ago, forcing the rock to contract and crack into these unbelievable symmetrical shapes. It's a genuine UNESCO Natural Heritage Site that demands to be seen. Back in the US, specifically Kansas, we find something far more whimsical. Mushroom Rock. Located in a state park, these formations look exactly like giant stone fungi. This is a classic example of differential erosion. Millions of years of wind and water wore away the softer rock layers underneath faster than the harder caprock on top, leaving these enormous top-heavy mushrooms standing proudly against the sky. Our list takes a tropical turn next, landing us in Bhutan Can Province, Thailand. For the 3 whale rocks, this natural wonder is less about defying gravity and more about perspective. These 3 immense rock formations, jutting out high above the jungle canopy, truly resemble 3 massive whales swimming on an ocean of green trees. Estimated to be over 75 million years old, it is a destination that offers truly spectacular views and is a testament to the immense scale of ancient landscapes. No list of impossible rocks is complete without Uluru, or Ayers Rock in the Australian outback. This isn't just a big rock. It's a massive, iconic red sandstone monolith that stands 348 meters high with a circumference of 9.4 kilometers. What makes it impossible? Its scale and the fact that it is essentially the tip of a much larger structure buried deep underground. Culturally, it's immensely significant to the indigenous Anangu people, and watching its vivid red color change dramatically during sunrise and sunset is truly an experience you can only describe as magical. Back to the balancing act, let's visit Balanced Rock in the Garden of the Gods, Colorado. Like many others, this giant rock formation appears to be resting impossibly on a base that looks far too small to support it. The secret here, again, is millions of years of patient erosion, wearing away the softer layers of rock beneath the much harder, sturdier layer on top, creating a delicate, precarious pillar that seems to defy logic. Next up is perhaps the most spiritually charged rock on our list, the Kaiktio Pagoda, or Golden Rock in Myanmar. This is the ultimate balancing act. A gigantic golden boulder perched right on the edge of a sheer cliff, looking like it could roll off at any moment. Legend says the only reason it remains balanced is due to a single strand of the Buddha's hair enshrined inside. Pilgrims have covered the entire rock in layers of gold leaf, making it shimmer in the sun, adding to its otherworldly, impossible appearance. Finally, we head to the dramatic fjords of Norway for Trolltunga, or the Troll's Tongue. This spectacular rock formation juts out horizontally over a staggering 1,100-meter drop. Standing out on this natural shelf feels like stepping off the edge of the world. Formed during the Ice Age about 10,000 years ago by glacial erosion, the sheer drop and the panoramic view of the mountains make Trolltunga an utterly terrifying yet breathtaking, impossible sight. And that's our list. It's incredible what nature can achieve without any tools, simply using time, pressure, water, and wind. These impossible rocks show us that sometimes the greatest mysteries and the most astounding sights are right here on Earth, created by forces we can barely comprehend. Which one of these wonders are you adding to your travel list? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more adventures.